Merry Christmas from iFix'em. I hope everyone's having a good holiday. Everyone is except for this guy. We got a Silverado 1500 HD, and sound like a rod knock or piston slap. He actually thought it was piston slap. And do you want to grab that one, D? What we got is a cracked flywheel. And this one is legit. It actually relocated itself and cracked all the way around. Usually we just see like one crack from about here to here, like this. But this thing broke all the way around, and I'm shocked the thing works.
I'm shocked it ran.
And you know what? He was like, gee, when I step on the gas hard, it falls on its face and then it goes. And if I do it gradually, it works fine. And I think we just found that problem too. Because I bet this thing just spins around when he punches it.
Well, usually, I mean, like stuff like this will,
Wow.
flywheel will grenade and crack the
Yeah,
face
I'm
of the
surprised we would have had no clue it was this bad. But when he was describing this, if he has to like do passing gear on a freeway, it would like just like cut out and then go. Or if he just walks into the throttle, it'd be all right. And this actually makes sense. So I think this is going to solve that problem for him also. So kind of killing two birds with one stone. That's a pretty good one. I'm liking the scene here. This is Lemon's trophy material.
We've seen him bad, we haven't seen him this bad yet.
Yeah. All right, guys, have a Merry Christmas. Love you all. Take care.